showing you how to use VPN application here like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here, you can see Germany server. You can tap on that, pretty much see all the servers available. We do have premium server over here as well. So over here, 3 dots, nothing much than the app filtering feature, which can allow whichever application get the VPN connection and which don't. So the premium option at the top here is where you're going to get your premium subscription. You can go ahead and enable this feature here. 3 days free trial, and you have the weekly subscription, and I'm on the subscription here as well. So that's pretty much it. And once you've selected a server, whether you're using the German server, all you have to do is just pretty much
looking for them.
Once you've enabled or select the connection button there, we'll see an ad. Once the ad is finished, it'll be greeted with the connection request. Let's tap on OK. And VPN will be connected in no time. So very simple to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand. And if you have missed anything at all, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.